In the question D, we have the expression y is equal to negative x square, negative 6x, positive 1. Right. So, what I can do here, I need to put negative out from negative x square. I need this term to be a positive. So, I'll put negative as a common and I'll work in a bracket which is x square. This is also having a negative term. The 6 is also having a negative term. So the negative is taken common. So we have positive 6x. And since I'm taking negative common and the third term is positive 1, so I'll put it negative. Because when I open the bracket, what will happen? When I open the bracket, it will be automatically become negative x square, negative 6x, negative and negative, positive 1. Right. So now I'm going to work inside the bracket as usual. My first term is x square and my second term is 6x this time. So according to the rule, I need to break that into the form of twice of a times b, which is twice of x times b. I told you what is the b. B is 6 by 2, and 6 by 2 you know what it is. 6 by 2 is 3, right? 6 by 2 is 3. So if I multiply 2x with 3, the things become 6x, right? So it is 2 times x times 3, which is 6x. So from here I got my b. My b is 3. My a was already decided, which is a. Now to complete the square, I'll put the term 3 square, which is b square. And since this term is not in this function, I'm adding it from my side. So to balance it, I'll put negative 3 square as usual to the rule. And the last term is negative 1. I put it. Now, from the first three term, what I'm having? X square plus twice of x times 3 plus 3 square, which will going to give me x plus 3 whole square. And the last two term is negative outside 3 square, which is negative 9 minus 1, and the bigger bracket x plus 3 whole square. So the first three term, if you see the first three term, this is the expansion of a square plus twice of ab plus b square, right? Isn't it? If you see the first three term, a square, which is x square, twice of ab, which is 2 times x times b, and then b square, which is 3 square. So this first three term, can't I write this just as x plus 3 whole square? X square plus twice of x times 3 plus 3 square. If you compare this with a square plus twice of a times b plus b square, I can see my a is x, my b is 3. So this is a plus b whole square. Similarly, this x square plus twice of x times 3 plus 3 square is x plus 3 whole square. Right. Proceeding further, negative outside the bigger bracket, x plus 3 whole square, a smaller bracket, minus 9 minus 10, it's negative 10, bracket close. And finally, now we can induce the negative inside. So I'll have negative x plus 3 whole square plus 10. This is the vertex form. And the vertex is negative 3 comma positive 10. Did you get that? Okay, now you can try the question E. E G H.